Hi all, Dave here from KPM Motorsport and Street Fighter Australia. We're in our little back area at the moment, just playing with our exhaust systems, and while we've got them laid out on the ground, I thought we'll just do a little information video. Today we're going to chat about our Street Fighter Mustang exhaust systems, just a quick look at them, just to show you a couple of differences between our own Australian Street Fighter branded exhaust systems and how they differ from a lot of the US or overseas imported systems. So we've laid out two systems here. This is an aftermarket 3-inch system. This is out of the US. Good quality system, stainless steel. You can see nice welds, and it's a slip style of system, so you slip them on. Nice mandrel bend, and going to a rear muffler, left and right. So this is what we call a catback system. So in front of this you'd have your standard headers and your standard cats, and the system would start here and go towards the rear mufflers. So now they've incorporated what we call a kiss pipe, where you cut into the pipes and just weld through them. They've done that in two places, and that gives it a bit of a merge going through there and going through there, and that just balances the left and right banks. So that's a good stainless steel system with a couple of kiss pipes going to some rear mufflers. Now on this other side here, we've got our Street Fighter made exhaust system, manufactured by KPM Motorsport, branded Street Fighter. Now these systems again used for the Mustang. This is a catback system like we saw on the other one. So you've got your standard headers, you've got your standard cats, and we bolt this up and we replace all the system from the cats back, therefore called a catback system. So as you can see, rather than the slip pipe on the other system there, we've got stainless steel flanges in two areas. Again, still mandrel bent in 3-inch stainless steel. The mandrel gives you a nice smooth exhaust flow as per the other system, going into some what we call spiral louver core rear mufflers, straight through mufflers. Just a couple of differences between the two systems, and this is what we wanted to point out. So instead of using the kiss flange, Street Fighter use a merge, a proper merge that balances the note coming through from the engine, balances the two banks. What that gives you is a smooth, deep V8 note, much like our system over here. Gives you a nice merge, a nice smooth V8 note. But what we do incorporate that a lot of systems from overseas and in Australia tend to miss out on is our massive 4-inch resonators. This is probably the point of difference where we want to point out our system here. What it does is still allows straight through flow, but it captures any resonance and any drone going into your cabin. So what you do get is the fantastic external note, but that cabin comfort that you need if you're driving across Australia or going for a long drive, especially on an automatic vehicle. Put it in drive, and you can induce drone with a big 3-inch system. So we're really conscious of that for our customers. So we have incorporated some big 4-inch resonators, massive 4-inch resonators, two of them, going out to the mandrel bend. Now, a couple of things also we should note about our mufflers. We like to have an external note. We work very much on the internal comfort. Obviously, the customer wants the external note. And the way we do that is we incorporate a straight through muffler as well, 3-inch straight through, but we put a spiral louver core in there that gives you a distinct Street Fighter exhaust system note. The note we look for is that deep V8 supercar style of note. A lot of guys, and especially in Australia, love that type of note. A lot of American style of exhaust systems, they tend to like more of the crackly, real roary type of note. And that's how this system has been designed, to give you that real V8 roar, where the Street Fighter system is being designed to give you that real deep, in your gut type thump and V8 supercar type note. And there's several ways that comes about. Again, from the merge pipe that really balances the system versus a kiss pipe, And from the amount of packing that we put in our mufflers as well, just to give you that more of a mature note that keeps the roar down but gives you that real deep rush type note. So I'll just lift a competitor's this is an overseas exhaust system. I'll just let you hear the packing. Now you can hear that's very shallow on packing, but that's purposefully done. That's to give a distinct note. Versus what we like to offer our customers is more of a fully packed, still straight through 3-inch. That gives you more of a deep V8. I can't explain it any other way. V8 supercar style of note. And if you stand behind the vehicle, it's more of a pushing into your gut style of note rather than a gurgle. And that's a distinct difference between a lot of American systems and Australian systems. This particular brand offers a really nice tip at the rear, massive. I reckon it's a 4.5-inch, might be 4, I'm not sure. Slips on. So that'll be on this system here, I should put it. And that's, I think you can change your choice of tip on. Where KPM, we've got our traditional 4-inch tip. It's a twin skin stainless steel. So it's a stainless steel on the outside, stainless steel on the inside. I think the same as, same as what the other exhaust has. Just a nice rolled lip. It's polished stainless steel, so it's not chrome. So very high quality throughout. Stainless steel internal products. I'm sure these are as well. Stainless steel hangers. I'm sure they are as well. Flange against slip joint. You can have arguments for one or the other. We prefer this. It's a nice, straightforward, easy fit. And we supply German branded bolts to bolt this system together. That way there's no stretch in the bolts and you don't have exhaust leaks. So every part of this system is high quality, right down to the gaskets, the bolts, even the TIG welding around every flange. That's all I've got to bring for you today, folks. So once again, David Rossio from KPM Motorsport. Hope to speak to you soon.